Check the radiator support. Looks compromised.
Got it. Shining a light.
Definitely cracked. Let's check the core.
Right. Looks bad.
Here's the cash, as we agreed.
Looks right. Pleasure doing business.
We'll take it from here. It's all yours. All right, it's aligned. Start her up.
Okay, easing on.
Looks good. Keep it steady. Perfect. Hold it there.
Check the A-pillar. Rust's deep.
Yeah, it's bad. Suspension next.
Agreed. Let's log it. Check the vacuum line here.
Yeah, looks cracked.
All right, take it up slow.
Copy that. Lifting now.
Looks clear. Swing it out.
Moving it over. Okay, start with the fender. Check the diagram.
Got it. The old paint is coming off clean.
Good. Keep it steady.
This bolt feels loose. Can you get it?
On it. Turning now.
Good. Now the next one.
Almost there. This bolt's tight. Check the alignment.
Alignment is good. Securing the hose now.
Clear on the diagram. Good. Now the wiring. This bolt's tight. Check the alignment.
Alignment is good. Securing the hose now.
Clear on the diagram. Good. Now the wiring.